Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the OzemBurn MAX capsules. So as you can see, this is what it looks like here on Amazon. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically another one of those supplements that will help you lose weight and give you energy. So if you're wondering if they're legit or not, as you can see that they're rated 1.0 out of 5 stars with 3 ratings here on Amazon. So let's read the reviews right here. So as you can see, this person said, very misleading. This product does not work. In fact, I gained 6 pounds. I only wanted to lose 15. I would not recommend this for any kind of weight control or loss. So this person said, do not buy. It doesn't work as described. So please guys, do not expect to lose weight just by taking this consistently. You will need to do some diet and exercise for you to actually lose weight and for you to be in a calorie deficit. So products like these do not work at all. It is actually more effective to do a diet rather than taking these and buying cheap stuff like this on the internet. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.